Hello student, good evening first of all. My name is Ritesh Sani and today we will discuss about the different topics like halo foam reaction. Halo foam reaction. Halo foam reaction. So what is the halo foam reactions? Halo means halogen. Halo means halogen. Which compound gives halo foam reactions? Which compound like compound containing methyl keto group. Methyl keto group react with halogen X2 in presence of base to give halo foam. This reaction is called halo foam reaction. This reaction is called halo foam reaction. This is the explanation. Like for example, we have general equation CH3 or COCH3 plus X2 plus NaOH. We are using sodium hydroxide base to give the product CHX3 plus sodium salt of acid CH3COO minus Na plus sodium salt of acid. So what will be the mechanism for this reaction? So let's check the mechanism for this reaction. Okay, mechanism is nothing but in this reaction, first of all, COOCH3 CH2 can be write like this CH2H and first base OH minus acid base reaction is first, so first accept the base, accept the proton, so here form C double bond O CH2 minus. This negative charge is stabilized through the resonance and the formation of also enolite form. Okay, now like here RC, this negative charge shift here and this pi bond shift here. So RCO minus double bond CH2 enolate. For the second step, this one act as a nucleophile. Like R C double bond O CH2 minus plus X2 is there. This one act as a nucleophile and attacking through the back side of halogen. So give the R C double bond O CH2X and remove X minus here. Again same step followed, base OH minus accept the proton and create the negative charge RC double bond O CH minus X. Then again attack with halogen group X backside attack, remove the X group. here form minus X minus and form RC double bond O CH X2. Again base accept the proton, this one, and create the negative charge RC double bond O C minus X2. Then react with X2, the backside attack, and remove this one minus X minus. So here form RC double bond O CX3. This compound is formed. Now again nucleophile base OH minus attack the electrophilic center C double bond O carbonyl center, and this pi bond shift here, create the negative charge. So here form RC O minus, and here CX3, and here OH2. Now in the next step, this negative charge shift here and remove this group. So here form RC double bond O OH plus CH3 minus. This negative charge accept the proton from the acid, and here form RC double bond O minus plus CHX3. This is the haloform. So in this reaction we have basic need methyl keto group with react with halogen group in presence of base. This is the general equation. And now mechanism, what is mechanism? First base accept the proton, create the negative charge, and again this negative charge react with X2 group, remove this one, and the form this compound RCOCH2X. Again repeat same process followed that. So forming the final one RCO double OH CH3 minus. This CH3 minus accept the proton from the acid and form RC double O minus plus CHX3. This one is stabilized through the RC double bond O minus and Na plus. This is the sodium salt of acid. Now if X is equal to Cl, this is the chloroform reaction. If X is equal to Br, this is the bromoform. And if X is equal to I2, so this is called iodoform reaction. And if chloroform exists in gaseous form, and bromoform it exists in liquid form, and iodoform exists in precipitate, PPT, white precipitate is there. So this is the haloform reaction. If we are use X is equal to Cl2 Br2, so that's chloroform reaction exists in gaseous form, bromoform is the exists in liquid form, and iodoform exists in white precipitate is there. So in this lecture we cover haloform reaction. In the next lecture we see that we will see for the haloform reaction, secondary alcohol also gives the haloform reaction, and 1,3-dicarbonyl group also gives the haloform reaction.